Hi guys, so we're gonna walk you through how to install the suspension. So there's this screw and this screw right here we gotta take off. So I already took them off, they're right here, and this one, the longer one, is here. So this is the suspension. There's two sides. One is like there's flat, and the other side kind of sticks out a little bit. So the sticks out a little bit side goes toward the stabilizer. So the side that sticks out goes toward the stabilizer. So same thing with this side also. There's one side that's sticking out and one side that's flat. The flat side face out, the longer side face in. So both ends we have the same thing. We have a long 22mm screw, a washer, and a long washer. This is like a little spacer. So spacer, washer, and a screw. So we first put the screw from the side that is flat. So the side that's flat, we put the screw. Then you will follow with a washer. Then you will follow with a spacer. So screw going from the flat side, going toward the longer side. Then you have the washer and spacer. We do the same thing on the other side. So screw, washer, and a spacer. Alright, then all we have to do is just put this in here, put it through these two holes right there, and then just tighten it with a Phillips screwdriver. You don't have to be like over tighten it, so as long as it's starting to be tight, then you could just stop. Don't try to over tighten it as well. So okay, make sure this dial could turn freely. You don't want to like tighten this so tight that it stops the internal screw, the adjustment screw. So this is how it looks like. Okay, and then it basically, there's oil in here that dampens the spring. Okay, and you could do the same on the other side if you need to support more weight. And also you could adjust this tension, how much the springs compress by turning this little knob, turning the body of the suspension. So if you want more strength, we typically leave it around here, like at the end of the threads, but you could actually go up or down, up to you. And also you could take out the spring if you just want extra dampening as well. If you take out the spring, all you have to do is just like this, and then you take out this little thing here, then the spring comes off. So now all you have is this dampening. So there's some dampening here. Alright, so you don't always need to have the spring action, you could even just have dampening actions. Okay?